Norton's always been known for its security, but it's also turned out to be one of the fastest optimizers in our tests. Its malware engine wiped out everything we threw at it, including cryptojackers and spyware that quietly drain resources in the background. Once those were gone, the PC immediately felt lighter, and on top of that, Norton's startup manager and file cleanup tools trimmed boot times, and the disk optimization feature gave older hardware a noticeable boost. The catch? Well, Norton's full set of performance tools, things like the process manager, RAM reclaimer, and disk optimizer, live in a separate add-on called Utilities Ultimate. It's powerful, but you will need to pay extra for it, which is a bummer. But even without that, Norton 360's built-in cleanup tools do a solid job, and paired with the best antivirus engine on the market, it's a pretty strong combo. And if you're a gamer, the Game Booster is another huge plus, keeping frame rates smooth by freeing up resources mid-game. If security is your top priority and you want extra speed on the side, then Norton 360 is the one to go with. And if you'd rather try cleaning things up yourself before using any software, we've got a whole video that walks you through Windows' own tools. Now, of course, not every program out there calling itself a PC cleaner deserves a spot on this list. Some are flat out scams. Skip anything like Qubit Optimizer, PC Accelerate Pro, Speed It Up, My Clean PC, or Broom Cleaner. They either duplicate tools that Windows already has built in, hit you with scare tactics, or worse, will slow down your PC more than they speed it up. A good rule of thumb is if a cleaner pops up screaming that your PC is critical or demands money to fix it, then just close it and move on. Here's the thing, PC cleaners take care of clutter, but performance also depends on your Windows setup. And that's why we also put together a video on the Windows 11 tweaks that every power user should know, and watching that with this will give you the full performance upgrade that you need. If this video was helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more no-nonsense guides like this, and drop a comment to tell us which cleaner made the biggest difference for your system. This is Safety Detectives, keeping your tech fast, clean, and under control. We'll see you in the next video.